So hey everyone, the live image of the Google Pixel 6a retail box has been leaked online. But before that, the Pixel 6a is largely expected to be announced during Google's I/O conference in May. The phone will of course be the company's second entry in its inexpensive smartphone series following the 5a, which was released last year. The image of the Pixel 6a's retail packaging was uploaded by Techxine, a new tech-centric site. The box looks similar to the Pixel 6 with the Google's logo in the top center and the device's picture directly below it. In comparison to the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, the Google Pixel 6a appears to have a tiny and a thin camera module. The Pixel 6a has a dual camera configuration and an LED flash as shown in the image. It's black and doesn't have a dual tone finish, both the top and bottom are the same color. In terms of the phone's debut date, which will be internationally released in the month of May, there is no official information available regarding the precise date of the smartphone release. According to report, the smartphone will include a Tensor-powered processor and the name of the chipset is the Tensor GS101, which the company has also offered with its already released Pixel 6 smartphones. The Pixel A series has always been a mid-range phone, so it will be good to see Google use the newest Tensor CPU in the Pixel A series, similar to what Apple did with the SE series. In terms of other features, the Pixel 6a will have a large screen of roughly 6.2 inches with a OLED display, although it will be somewhat smaller than its predecessor, the Pixel 5a. The smartphone's appearance also indicates that it will be very identical to that of the Pixel 6. According to some rumors, the smartphone's camera will be the same as the Pixel 6, although others claims that the Pixel 6a will use IMX363 sensor seen in all previously Pixel A models. That may reduce its chance of being the greatest budget phone in 2022, given that the Tensor will be a little out of date by then. After all, even the iPhone SE3, which is powered by Apple's top CPU, is failing to find customers, albeit this might be due to its outdated design. So what are your thoughts on this Pixel 6a? Are you looking forward to experiencing the new Android 12 with the new Pixel Touch? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.